In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a photograph as a light source. I'll post a link to this tutorial's reference image in the description below. Import an image as a plane. If you don't have that option in the menu, please activate an add-on called Import Images as Planes. Suppose we were to render a TV scene by using a photograph. Imagine we had to render a TV in a dark room where the only light source would be the TV itself. Let's add an icosphere. Let's remove the environment light. Go to the render preview mode and we'll see the total darkness we wanted. I'll add a light here. We got the light on the photograph and the mesh, but this doesn't look good. If I were to increase the strength of the light, then we'd see the overall shape of the light source. Let's go to the cycles renderer. I could move the image back and add another light source. But this isn't perfect either. What if we were to have a scene where an object is located very close to the TV screen? I'll show you how to solve this problem by using Blender's node editor. This is what we could do to emit light from a plane that contains the image. The mesh does have the light reflection, but what's going to happen if we were to increase the strength of the emission shader? The photograph itself becomes way too bright, and that's not what we want. Watch this. If we add the light path node and set our nodes like this, then we can keep the original photograph's brightness and emit as much light as we want. We can also change the emit value of the second emission node to brighten up the photograph on the plane as well. This is the end of the photograph as a light source tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.